Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Learning Academy YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about execution of Java program. Once they receive the requirement, developer team start working on it and develops the Java program, which is also known as source code, and save the file as file name.java. Now, developer to check any bugs. Bugs means any error or mistakes. Developer will give the Java program to compiler for compilation purpose. And next, compiler checks any bugs in programs, and if it is finds any bugs, compiler will throw compilation error to a developer. Now, developer should be debug. Debug means corrections and gives the program back to compiler. This process repeats till compiler finds no bugs in the Java program and through compilation successfully. Now compiler convert the source code to bytecode and save file as filename.class. Bytecode is intermediate code which is non-understandable by machine and also non-understandable by human beings. Bytecode is platform independent, means which can be run in any operating system with the help of JVM. JVM means Java Virtual Machine reads the code line by line and convert to the machine understandable language with the help of JIT and JVM. JIT is nothing but a just in time. JIT is a compiler component of the runtime environment that improves the performance of Java application by compiling bytecode to machine code at runtime. JVM is platform dependent, means JVM used for Windows cannot be used for any other operating system. In this section, you have any doubt, you can comment. Thank you for watching and please subscribe our channel.